Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Pull up a seat and imagine sliding into the cockpit of Audi's all-new 2026 A6, where elegance meets effortless performance in a way that only Ingolstadt can deliver. The moment you close the door, you are surrounded by a flawlessly executed interior, where buttery Valcona leather and rich wood inlays meet a pair of crisp digital screens that seem to float in the dash. The lower touchscreen, complete with satisfying haptic feedback, takes care of climate and drive modes so intuitively that you'll hardly miss physical buttons. Glide your finger across the infotainment display and you'll notice how Audi's latest MMI software responds without hesitation, whether you're swiping through navigation or firing up Spotify via wireless Apple CarPlay. Even the virtual cockpit behind the steering wheel reconfigures itself on command, delivering speed, maps, or performance data exactly where you need it. A perfectly positioned wireless charging pad offers a safe home for your phone, though you might find yourself stealing glances at the cabin's ambient lighting, which bathes the cabin in a gentle glow tailored to your mood. Under the sculpted hood, you get a choice between a 261 horsepower turbocharged four-cylinder that offers a peppy commute companion, or the more compelling 335 horsepower V6 that feels utterly at home on open roads. Its smooth surge of power, sent through a 7-speed automatic and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive, lets you merge onto highways without a hint of strain. Even in a spirited corner, the A6 corners with a composed poise that hints at sports sedan ancestry, while its suspension soaks up bumps in a manner befitting a luxury cruiser. Space doesn't feel compromised either. The rear seat welcomes adults with generous legroom, and folding down the backrests unleashes a cavernous cargo bay that swallowed 6 of our carry-on suitcases without a grumble. Audi's clever split-fold mechanism even lets you slide longer items through the pass-through without a hitch. Audi didn't reinvent the wheel with the 2026 A6, but they refined it to perfection. If you crave understated luxury packed with cutting-edge tech and the right amount of pep, this is the sedan you've been waiting for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.